Hey guys, Will Robinson here. We're getting a lot of requests to finish up this transmission. It was on the back burner, but now it's up front, so we gotta get this thing done. I don't know, you guys want to follow me? As you can see, I got all the parts here laid out. I cleaned the bench. There's really nothing major as far as debris on it. So, it's not spotless, but you want to do the best you can. It's not as critical on these manual transmissions, but you still want to keep out as much dirt as possible. It doesn't take much to mess these up. So, main thing is to keep a clean surface, and let's start reassembling. Okay, we're going to start here with second gear. This is the old, I don't know if you can see it here, but this is the old synchro ring, the old bearing. You see, it's kind of hard to mess them up, and also the shaft is stepped. Comes from smallest to biggest. Sorry about that. I have somebody supposed to be stopping by, so I'll just make sure it wasn't them. The shaft is stepped from smallest to biggest journal, and second gear has the biggest journal. Alright, so we got the old second gear. This one's in pretty good shape. It's clean. Thoroughly cleaned it. Just going to take and apply a little bit of oil to it. Got a clean container here. Double check, make sure it's spotless. Put a little gear oil in that. Okay. Now second gear installed. Should be nice and smooth. Alright, this part can be a little tricky. Yeah, I just had these gloves on to clean the parts. But I know I should wear them. However, they just tear up on these sharp edges, so there's really no sense. There's a couple different ways of doing it. As you can see, this is the brand new reverse gear / second slider. This is the old one that was tore up. This new one came with a rust prohibitor on it, so you want to make sure you clean that thoroughly and get all that off of there, otherwise the components will bind. It takes a while to get it all off. I actually had to use a wire brush. Now let's proceed to reinstalling this block. You'll notice that there's a double bigger notch in there. This middle one's where the synchro blocks go. Synchro inserts go. There's a few different ways of doing this. I just take and I sit them in. And install my ring. Now when flipping this, you gotta be careful because they will fall out. They can still fall out without this ring in. You want to be sure to put this at 180 out. Let's install this synchro hub onto the shaft. And I want to install your synchro ring first. And I'm going to go on over to the press and press this down. Okay. Took me a little while, but I got it pressed on. Got that C-clip pushed on and in place. Now we got our second gear, our hub, our slider. Time to proceed on to the next one. Next set is a double stack roller. So let that soak in the oil for a minute. There's a spacer. And a double stack roller. Soaking already. Synchro ring. Yeah. Go to first gear. You got your little pin. That keeps your keeps the thrust washer from spinning. So a thrust washer. And next is your rear bearing. Okay. I'm taking press that bearing on. I'll be right back. Okay, I just got the bearing pressed on. I'm going to take fifth gear. Just like that. Okay. Just like so. You take your C-clip. It's actually a U-clip. This can be a little stubborn. Just like so. Now we'll flip it over, do the third gear. Third and fourth hub, and put everything together on that. Alright, now let's start rebuilding the 3 and 4 synchronizer hub. Like you see, it's the smaller one of the bunch. Install the new inserts, one of your new clips, just like before. Nice and easy. Another clip. Install this in an opposite 180 out from the other side. Okay, back together. Start on the third gear. New roller bearings. Third gear. New synchronizer ring. And the hood. Let's go press that on. I'll be right back. Okay, now we got that all pressed on. And taking install the retaining spring. Okay. Here we have it, boys and girls. Well on our way. As you can see, it's all back together. The output shaft has all its gears on it. It's looking good. See, just the weight of that stops it like a brake. Everything's working the way it should. I'm going to take a little break, and we'll start on the next part. And we'll move on to the next step. Okay, keeps it going. Applies the brake. Bam! Gets it spinning. Alrighty. And the fifth gear crush ring. See the notch for the ball.